Fatigue like is really has me on chokehold. So yeah, and like even now, like I'm literally just pushing myself just to vlog for you guys, you know. But yeah guys, today is Monday the 4th of December, so it's vlogmas actually. Yeah, no, I'm not gonna be uploading like every day. I'm not there yet, you know. I don't have the energy. I hope vlog every day and upload every single day. So everything's gonna be normal. It's just that give vlogmas, you know. Yeah guys, like the plan was to release just one vlog like I did last year, like what I got up to in December type of vlog. But I figured Uguti, nah, let me do what I'm used to, you know, and vlog and J. Yeah, so today the time right now, it's exactly 1 minute past 9. I've been up for like an hour or so. I'm busy cleaning and doing my laundry and my bedding. So yeah, I figured it would see while I'm busy with my bedding, I should deep clean my room. Guys, now one thing about me, gets a bedding yaka like on a regular basis. Like I don't even check, like I give you like I need to do it, I do it, you know. And guys, my cousin's home, so but anyway, so I feel like that's what happened. My skin has been so good to me. Good like clean, you know. But yeah guys, I feel like I'm rambling, you know. Let's get busy and sort my life out. Sort my life out, and then yeah guys, we'll definitely take it from there. But I hope you guys enjoy this vlog, and if you do, then you know the drill, babes. Like, comment, share, and most importantly, subscribe to the channel, guys. Remember, we are now officially, I can't believe how like we are heading towards 500 subscribers, half year 1K. That's crazy. So please don't forget to subscribe, guys. There's a giveaway. I mentioned it on one of my vlogs. Do check that vlog out and find, if you're new here and you don't know giveaway, just watch that video, and that's where I explained everything. So yeah guys, anyway, let's get busy. literally look like my problems. I look like my problems. But anyway guys, so it's later on during the day and I'm done with everything. So what I did was I did my laundry, I did my bedding, I deep cleaned my bedroom and the bathroom. Biggie cleaner, you know. So oh guys, ciao, I'm tired, I'm exhausted, but I need to put my bedding, move it, you know. Guys, my skin is even breaking out because of the sun. These didn't see, literally they were not here in the morning. The last time I spoke with you guys, none was there. Now when I get out on like summer, like I'm really not a summer person. I love winter. I love winter. But anyway guys, let's finish all of this and yeah, the rest because I'm tired. This heat, like I'm literally sweating. I really need to bath. But before that, I'm done with my bed. Yeah, I'm done with my bed. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go outside and get the last batch of laundry and go washing line and then fold it up, pack it, put it in my cupboard, and get up. Guys, like I really need to bath. And it's been a while because I live on to like my self-care nothing changed, but you know, I want to do that with you guys. Like, I enjoy content thing and you know, so I'm gonna do that. Oof. Anyways, I think I'm going to let's go outside. Guys, why really important gore re tlhatswe. Do you guys see how important it is for us to wash our bedding on a regular basis? This towel, this one, I use it like I wrap my pillows around this towel, and you know it's purple, but you guys can see how like it bleached and whatnot. Here it's like light purple, pinkish, and then some spots are dark purple. That's literally the cause of this. Is literally the face products that I've been using, well, I was using, because this happened na quick user Cetaphil, so it's quite strong, so you have to wash your bedding, and especially your pillowcases, whatever you sleep on, you need to make sure that it's clean. You know, wash it big on a weekly basis. You know, yeah. So word of advice, that's my advice. But anyway guys, like as you guys are watching, as you guys are watching my video, I know, like this vlog, I know how you guys look happy and not clap, so I need to sort my life out, guys. Anyway, oh, see, I told you to cook. How do you do this?
Tell me what you need from me. Make you wanna fight lately. So naive to believe you've been in first. My emotions been straight up too long. Lies get bogus, lies to focus. I know, stone cold. You make seasons change with unfair warning. How you make seasons change without saying something. All these reasons I can lead you to running. Don't leave me out in the cold without my warmth. Should've made you feel more important. Now I'm up all night drinking poison. Till my thoughts are all distorted. The only way I know to ignore it. Trying to hide all the pain, just to go back to what it was for. Another bottle of my poured out, flood away. Speak to my baby. You can't seem to tell me what you need from me. Make you wanna fight late. So naive to believe you've been in first. My emotions been straight up too long. Lies get bogus, lies to focus. I know, stone cold. But you may see reasons change with
It's the next day, and I'm in the car. Imagine.
Oh, I think new card. Fresh card, dog. Ciao, the shop.
Shop.
How much is a little money?
Vlogger ka phone na gago.
Well, I'll wait for like I shoot this.
Isian. But let me see if I can imagine. Come on, anyway, guys. Masambeke.
Took it off my chest and showed you that it's you.
Oh, hi guys. So today is the next day and child. It's pretty late. Past 4 if I'm not mistaken. Excuse the lighting, like it's very gloomy outside. But yeah guys, I'm so tired. I'm literally just here to tell you guys how tired I am. I've been deep cleaning the TV room and the lounge, whatever. I don't know. So that's what I've been doing. So now I'm done, and child, I'm tired. Like I literally spent the whole day deep cleaning that part of the house. Like it's literally that big. There's a lot of things there, and yeah guys, so now I'm about to cook. But I because I haven't had anything to eat today, so I want to cook, eat, take my bath and sleep. Like I'm that tired. Also I'm gonna sleep on. But anyways, like just a light simple meal, just papa, cavalso, tomato gravy, and that's that. So I don't know, you guys are not gonna do that with me. You guys know how to cook. I would love to believe for you guys know how to cook. So doings. But yeah guys, and tomorrow is another day. We have a few errands to run, and also I need to go buy flowers for my mom. Her birthday is on Saturday, so I just want to buy her flowers, you know, and then yeah, so and my grandpa guys. So we'll see, but for now let me go cook. Give it.
Woman that can take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony, just to say
I'm fond of freshness, and I've got some news.
I told you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular?
Wondering why all moms are obsessing about these new breathable Pampers Premium Care Pants? Let's find out. I always want to get Pampers Premium Pants today and let skin breathe.
Previously on the
There's just one thing I need from you. Say I do, because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. Now if I wrote you a love note and made you smile at every word I wrote, what would you do? Would that make you wanna change your scene and wanna be the one on my team? Tell me, would you? See, what's the point in waiting anymore? Cause girl, I've never been more sure that baby it's you. This ring here represents my heart and everything that you've been waiting for. Just say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love.
Hi guys. Finally I took a pause, but I did not do that with you guys because I bathed pretty late. Like I literally just finished bathing and the time right now is 1 minute past 9. It's literally 1 minute past 9. I love my wallpaper, guys. So I literally just finished bathing. Reason being, guys, the reason I mean, I don't know, like if you're from Potch, you know the struggle, girl. Like when load shedding strikes, I don't know what happens, but the water automatically just stops running. And then today, so usually what happens is when the electricity comes back, the water comes back as well. But today, today was guys, I literally finished bathing, so I'm just chilling. Like this is what I usually do. Like I give it a clap because it's hot. When I finish bathing, I just chill in my bedroom, allow my body to cool down, you know, just stop a sweat so that I can apply my lotions, my body oils and whatnot. But y'all, anyway, back to what I was saying. This is me rambling, guys. Today what happened was when the electricity came back. Now I don't know what happened. I think they forgot our water because it was load shedding from 2 until 4:30, and there was no water from Nago 2 until past 8. Yeah, literally. So like my energy is, you know, I'm tired, I'm feeling a bit tipsy, so I couldn't vlog my self-care and on guys. it's literally God. I feel like it's God telling me not to, because I think this would have been my fourth, if not third, attempt to get my self-care routine. So I think guys, my thing, like, it literally, if it really okay, this 1 year a week I tried, okay, I give it some bit, it's literally God telling me, "Hey, don't," because nothing changed. So everyone knows your self-care routine. So I guess I'll show you guys once something changes, you know. Yeah, but if you would like for me to film my self-care routine, then comment down below. But I doubt anyone would like to see that, because it's like literally nothing changed. So that's that, guys. I literally tried this air freshener, right, Kia Air Week. It's the Cool Linen and White Lilac fragrance. I was literally trying it out for the very first time, and it smells good, you know, like very grown, very mature, you know. Yeah. This scent, I feel like the scent the Elena, like my gran would love, because now personally, when it comes to I removed it, by the way. Not like when it comes to like fragrance in here, whether get like fabric softener, room sprays, body spray, like whatever the case may be, I love a very sweet scent, you know, like I want to smell sweet, you know, because I'm a sweet girl. Hi guys, today is the next day and it's past 12 now. So from Galxboy, my aunt was the one who actually bought these for me. I remember I was having a conversation with like, so she was like, let me buy them for you, you know. So instead of 3 t-shirts, I decided to get 2 and then a bucket hat. So I got this bucket hat, and it's actually reversible. There's this side and this side. This side, like your Galxboy prints. Can you guys see? Yeah. Guys, my gonna look like a donut. Like, this is a size large and it tight. I have a big head. Ooh. And I also love this gold thingy, like it has the Galxboy. Can you guys see? yeah, so that's that. And then the angel t-shirts in black. I actually told her in gray. I don't know why she took black, but I'm not too mad about it because I'm sorry. I'm actually trying to move you guys. Nikki like a gray, guys, the material, the quality, amazing. I think it's probably gonna give us a Galxboy, cause what? The quality is insane. That's how the t-shirt looks. That's the first one. And then last but not least is this world peace t-shirt in white. Oh, I love it. Like, I really love it. It's so cute. That's all from Galxboy. Guys, it's 15 minutes past 9 and like I want to take a nap. Remember I mentioned yesterday how we are going out today and we're gonna go buy flowers and whatnot. We decided for like I am tomorrow because the weather today, like this morning, was not one to be played with, you know. It was raining and like now again, like nothing happened. I don't know if you guys can see or not. Obviously you can't, but oh wow. But the sun is out, child. But anyway, now let me fold these girlies. I want to take a nap and I feel like this nap is going to be a really good one. I feel like it's going to be a really good one. So we'll talk hackets or hackers. Hi guys, today is the next day and we are at Insantic. Is it Insantic? Something like that. Insantic body piercing and tattoo what My brother is gonna get his nose pierced today, so yeah, I'm not gonna transport them to. And then what else? There's a possibility of I might get a tattoo as well, depending on the price, because getting a tattoo was really not part of my budget. But since while we're here, because like it's gonna be a really tiny one, so and then if it's cheap to a point then I'm gonna definitely get it. And then lighting, see this, why can you orange and pink and like and then after all of that, Woolworths. We're gonna go look for some flowers for tomorrow. Tomorrow is my mom's birthday, so flowers, you know, just wish her a happy, heavenly birthday. I really hope God has something planned for her tomorrow. It's a brain, you know. But on our side, the only thing we can do at this point is just to give her some flowers, wish her a happy birthday, and that's that. So yeah, I guess literally we've been chilling at the gate for 15 to 20 minutes. Why camera why I don't know. Hello?
Where are you?
I'm at the gate.
Are you still outside?
Yes.
I opened. Didn't you come in?
No, the gate did not open.
Oh, okay. Let me open for you, and then just drive to the back.
Okay.
I thought you were already inside.
No.
I'm coming.
Alright, guys, so that's her. So yeah, I guess let's drive in and we'll talk out of it.
Hop in her, throw up the sex in her. And I can put you in. I can put you in. Hop in her, throw up the sex in her. And I can put you in. I can put you in. I can see the whole city from this balcony. Back in 2019, I was outside freely, but now they got it out for me. I don't care what frat you was in, you can't out for me. Keep dreaming. Pineapple juice, I give a sweet semen. I know what they like, so I just keep cheesing. Hard drive full of heat seeking. Tryna come the same day as Jack, rethinking. You don't need Givenchy, you need Jesus. Why do y'all sleep on me?
Guys, hi. Guys, I literally forgot about you guys. I'm sorry. I don't know why. But today is Monday the 11th of December. And I'm literally just sitting here editing. Like I'm literally editing this vlog. And I realized I don't have an outro for this vlog, and it needs to be up tomorrow, which is Tuesday actually. So but before I end this vlog, I just wanna explain to you guys like the last bits of the vlog. I remember the last time I spoke with you guys was when I went with my brother or is it an Incentic? Yeah, I think it's Incent. Yeah, I don't know, I'll put the name on the screen. I forgot the actual name of the place, but he basically got his nose pierced, and then I was planning for Gratat, but the lady was like, nah, not today, babe. So I have to communicate with her, set up an appointment to go get one, but I think I'll do that next year, you know, next month basically. In a few weeks. Yeah, I really wanna get a tattoo in memory of my mother and my siblings. You know, I have 2 siblings who are late. Yeah, so it's actually second born. No, there is one before me, my brother, guys, like yeah. So I have 2 late brothers, one older brother and a younger brother. So I want to get a tattoo that's gonna be in memory, although I don't know my siblings, but I wanna get a tattoo and it's gonna represent not just my mom but them as well, and as my brother, the one that you guys know, my brother and I. My brother that you guys know, the one Galxboy, guys. Galxboy. So the first one, and then even another other one who passed on. So it's this one passed on, and then me, and then this one passed on, and then TD's the one that you guys know. Yeah, so I'm gonna get a tattoo. It represents really 4 plus my mom, you know. And I literally found an idea of how I want that tattoo to be, but I'm not gonna show you guys as of yet. You guys will see once I get the tattoo done. That's when you'll see the tattoo, and then I'll explain it thoroughly to you guys. But I'm really hoping for it I get it very soon, because I've been contemplating on getting a tattoo for the longest time now, since last year, guys, since last year. And I think it's time now to get one. And then yeah, but anyway, back to what I was saying. We went, my brother got his nose pierced, and then he was actually supposed to vlog for you guys, because now I was driving. Yeah. So he forgot to vlog. Then I forgot how he has to vlog for me. But we, like, the moment I felt the whole, it's at his piercing, we went to the mall to buy my mom some flowers. I'll insert a picture so that you guys can see the flowers. They were really cute. I loved them. I was hoping for a cake like my mom, lilies, cause those were her favorite flowers. But thing is with lilies, you need to take care of them. You need to, because I can't like so they need to be in water so that they can, you know. So go maybe playing like that was not gonna happen. So I just got her some cute roses, you know. And we went and yeah. Yeah, we went and gave my mom her flowers, and yeah, Sunday was literally just my day in jail, you know. Sunday reset, you know the vibes. Yeah, so that's basically what happened. Yeah, I just thought that I should jump in with this vlogmas thingy once, because like I haven't been consistent, and there is a time okay, I've had a nice break, let me jump into my craft, you know, and that's where I'm at right now. I'm not there yet, like I'm really tired. I'm tired still, but I want to push as hard as I can, you know. So yeah, guys, this would have been like a very like a regular vlog. As you guys can see, it like it's a regular vlog. I'm just naming it vlogmas because you're not gonna vlogmas, but like I'm just gonna vlog into like standard procedure. You guys know, like I'm literally gonna be showing you guys like days in my life, pretty much, you know. Nothing extra. And like December time, guys, for me they are very boring, very quiet, you know. So there's really nothing much interesting, entertaining that's gonna happen. But one thing I love about you guys, the one thing I love and appreciate about you guys is that you guys enjoy whatever content that I put out there, and especially when it comes to vlogs. Yeah, I feel like my vlogs are very relatable to most of you guys, like you know. So hence why I feel like you guys love my content, and that's why I feel for it, even though I'm not doing anything, I should vlog for you guys. But yeah, guys, 9 minutes to click it in this vlog, the week editing thing. It's gonna be a long ass vlog. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and if you did, you know the drill, you know what to do. Like, comment, share, and most importantly, subscribe to my channel. We are on the road to 500 subscribers. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, but you are watching my content, please just kindly click the subscribe button and turn on your post notifications on so that you get notified every time I post. And like that's the thing. When I don't know why. I'm failing to understand why it's tired. But anyway, yeah, guys, like I was saying, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and you know, subscribe, please, 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 kindly subscribe. And yeah, guys, I will see you guys in my next vlog. Bye.
I guess, yeah. So I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody.